everybody, my name is Samantha and today I'm going to show you how to stick a straw through a potato. Now, it may not seem like a very impressive experiment at first, but think about it. How on earth could a plastic flimsy straw like this actually go all the way through a potato? Well, stay tuned and I'll let you in on a little secret that'll impress everyone you meet. So, moving on to the materials that you need for this experiment. Simple plastic straw, whatever you can find. A potato. That's it. Alright, moving on to the steps for this experiment. It's very simple. All you gotta do is take your straw. You'll notice that I have a different straw from before. Sorry about that. And all you have to do is fold it a little bit more than halfway, so it's a little closer to one end than the other. And make sure it's a nice tight fold. And then hold it with one hand. And then take your potato, hold it on one side with the other hand, and make sure that when you're about to poke through your potato, don't accidentally poke your hand. Make sure to try and aim for one particular side. And all you gotta do is go for it. And success! Oh my gosh, we did it! And so as you can see, the straw was able to go all the way through one side of the potato to the other, which is absolutely amazing. As you can see, I'm freaking out a little bit in the background there. Alright, so now that I've shown you the secret on how to make a straw pass through a potato, let me explain how it works. So, the reason that we end up bending your straw is so that you can prevent any airflow from one end to the other end of the straw and trap any air inside of this end of your straw that you're going to pierce your potato with. And what that does is that once it makes contact with your potato, the air inside of the straw is trapped and it gets compressed enough that it makes the straw strong enough and stiff enough so that the sides of the straw are actually able to go from one end to the other end of the potato. Alright, so now that I've shown you how to do it with a potato, I want to challenge you all to go out, see what you have at home. Maybe something like a zucchini or a cucumber, maybe even a carrot. And try your luck at trying to stab other things and stick them with your own straws at home. Anyway, even though that was a super short experiment, I hope that you all are able to go out and impress your friends and family with this cool trick. And also, just a tip, don't get too discouraged if it doesn't work out the first time, because as you can see, I might have broken a few straws on my own in order to actually get it to go from one end to the other of the potato. But I do guarantee practice makes perfect, and eventually you'll be able to get it all the way through, just like me. Alright, I hope that all of you enjoyed this very short experiment. Remember to like this video if you had some fun, and make sure to subscribe to the channel if you want to find out some more cool experiments in the coming weeks. Bye!